On a hot sunny morning, we're starting to do our push-ups. A regular push-up. Come to your kneeling position. Put your arms out. Bring your arms closer to your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades. And in the same position, get onto your mat. Use a mat when you're on the terrace. That's a tip. Stretch your legs out. Push up. Go down. Squeeze your blades. Push up. Do not forget your breathing while you're pushing up and down. Good. Come on. Keep going. Next one is a wide push-ups. Well, I forgot to tell you that you can use your wrist support when doing push-ups. I use it regularly because I have wrist pain. You can use it even if you don't have wrist pain. It's always good to use proper gear. I'm going to make a video on all the gears that you can use, protective gears that you can use while working out very soon. Let's get started. Now I'm going to show you what's going to happen if you don't use a mat while pushing up. Now I'll show you my hands. Yes. Can you see? Please use a mat. Oh, I'm tired. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you all liked it. If you liked the video and if you think it's beneficial for you or any of your friends and family members, feel free to share. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you. Keep supporting me. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay good, stay positive. Bye-bye.